words. No more internal bleeding. No more noise and no more cries. For I am free and filled with love from above. I am a child of God. Oh yes, I am.
Unity is power. Today we celebrate the unchained country. Sacrifices have been made. The blood was the pool of the day. Tears rolling down on the faces. A body of a child carried with fear. Cried for help, but it was too late. Shh, I need a space.
Today we are free. Free from hatred, free from anger, free from dusty roads of racism. So let us celebrate and let us smile. We are the children. We are the world.